Good morning, print fam. I got a couple of orders this morning for some business cards and some heat transfers, but today I really need to spend a little bit of time cleaning up this section of the office because my new table is coming today. So, kind of in a panic because I'm not sure where to put everything, because not everything has a place and stuff like this crib doesn't even belong in here. So gotta figure it out so that I can get more organized and just have a better workplace. So I'm gonna spend a few minutes trying to get some stuff organized. Alright guys, I've got it not cleaned up, but to the point that I can bring and fit the table right here. It is super dusty since I had my brother make it at his wood shop, and they unfortunately did not clean it off before they sent it. So let's go take a look at it outside and get some of the dust off of it. Alright guys, so here is my new table. It is 108 inches long and 2 feet deep. It's got a nice shelf on the bottom. It's on casters so I can roll it around, and then it has this nice flip up extension so that it makes it 4 feet, and you can see that it's got a flip down leg there, and then these 2x4s are on rollers so that they can extend out to support the edges. So let's get this dust off and put it in the shop. So it definitely completely fills up this wall. Probably getting rid of the cotton candy machine. It's just not the same as it used to be when we did it for Halloween. But the plan is get the rest of this dust cleaned off. The keen cut is going to go on the back half, and then when I need a working surface I can lift this up to work, or if I need to cut a big banner, then the nice thing is it's on caster so I can get behind it. I'm still not sure where all the other machines. I don't know if the paperweight is going to stay there or if the folder is going to be here, so I'm not sure where everything is going to go just yet. But it's a step in the right direction. Underneath is going to be really good for storage, being able to keep different paper stocks and things like that. So it'll be super nice to have this kind of here to start the organization of the office. All right, print fam, I have been struggling. I can't show you the design, but I've been working on some business cards, and the design is close to the edge. And what was happening was the cutter was not cutting them the same. So what I did was I printed the border where the finished size should be. So the art itself is 3.75 by 2.25. So I made a black box with a white border, print it black and white, try to save some money. And the white bordered box was 3.5 by 2. Ran it through the cutter, matched the settings. I have 5mm gutters, 5mm slits, and it wasn't working. So I've gone through like 20 pieces of paper. What I ended up having to do was on the first slit make it 6mm, and that fixed everything. So for some reason the spacing of it is not working correctly, but I put 6mm instead of 5, and now everything is coming out beautifully. So if you're having trouble, try that. Typically you'd only run into this if you're running a Duplo. If you're running a manual cutter, then you wouldn't have had to deal with this because you'd be cutting them yourself. But I hope that helps someone, because holy cow, I have 3 100-piece order business cards, and I've spent more money trying to resolve the issue than the order is, but at least I know for all my future orders that it is spot on at this point. So back to the production. Alright, so got the business cards done, as you saw. Gotta swap some paper out. I printed some 11x17 posters in the high school. They're having some sort of theme week next week. So they had 75 posters that they wanted printed to be able to put up around the school. Now I'm swapping out to my Kelly paper. It's 100 and nope, just 100 pound. It's 100 pound glossy text. It's one of my favorites, and it's the one that I typically try to stock for a more fancy paper than just plain. Sadly, I'm printing a funeral brochure, funeral flyer, announcement. It's someone that I kind of know. He's about my age, and unfortunately, by no fault of his own, his life ended abruptly, and now I'm trying to help the family out by printing these for them. His funeral is on Saturday, so I'm going to try to get them done today so that they don't have to worry about it. So I'm going to print them 2 up on this 12x18. We'll cut them on the cutter, and then we'll fold them on the Ultra Fold 714. So they need 500 total, so I'll need 250 sheets. So I'm getting that loaded now, and then we'll do a test print, and then cut, fold, etc. Alright, print fam, it is time to replace my first cartridge. So I'm gonna do the steps and we'll see if it works together. So it's telling me here to please add toner, magenta. So it's saying that it's out. So we clip this, we twist it, maybe. It says. I twisted it. Guess I'm just dumb. There we go. And then for the new toner, I'll set you down over here. It says you're supposed to shake it back and forth 5 to 10 times. And then you're supposed to twist it 5 to 10 times. And then it said to do this 5 to 10 times, and then you twist this cap off. Pull this out here. I think I did it right, so I guess we'll find out. Alright guys, it did work. So you can see here that it's no longer orange, but I've got the job printing. There's 250 pieces, they're 2 up, so it'll turn into 500 when it's all said and done. So I really should get my stack cutter working correctly so I can do it faster. On with the night. So I'm gonna get those all printed tonight and cut so that tomorrow I can fold them and get them delivered. That way they don't have to worry about it. I also have a business card rush order that they're the slim cards. I'm just waiting to hear back on whether they're approved and how many they want. So I may be back out tonight to print those, but I may just print them first thing in the morning. That one I will have to create a new template for because I've never done that size. Other than that, I've worked on a couple of other business cards, working on a tension fabric backdrop for a trade show, and that's about it for today. So thanks for watching, thanks for being here. If you have any questions about what I do, why I do it, how I do it, etc., leave those down in the comments. Thanks Cam for editing the videos, really appreciate you. And if you want to support the channel, you can do so with the links down in the description. There's Amazon affiliate links, you can buy business cards from me. Yeah, all that fun stuff. So, but thanks just for being here. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit that thumbs up button if you liked the video, or hit it anyway just because you like me. And thanks for watching, Print Fam. We'll see you tomorrow. Print Fam, I almost forgot to tell you if I met my goal or not. I didn't. I got halfway there though. Okay, see you next time, Print Fam.